Here at the Martin Auto Museum, came out for a motorcycle show they've got in the parking lot. Okay, this is what I came for, the vintage bikes. My goodness. There's more here than over at the Harley area. Flathead BMW. Isn't that something? Oh, isn't that pretty?
These yesterday are saying about his feet. You know what? That's all he's got.
That's got to be the Colorado Norton Works starter setup. Isn't that pretty? Oh, isn't that pretty? My goodness. Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. And you don't see that every day. Oh my goodness. 1897. Whoa. 1914. My goodness gracious sakes, back when a Harley was a Harley. Isn't that something? See now, with my luck, I'd win the thing. You're good, you're good. Boy, if I won that, what would I do with it? My goodness gracious sakes alive. Wow.
He's like, so it's a little cheaper to live here. He goes, this is the difference between my house taxes. This is how much it came.
Look at the gas tank. Oh my goodness gracious sakes.
I'm trying to sell my house right now.
Oh, isn't that pretty? That's the bike that dethroned the Norton as being the world's fastest motorcycle. This one kicked its butt.